Good morning, it's John Neal here. It is, what day is it? Wednesday. Excuse me, it's Wednesday, the 22nd of January 2025. And I'm just out for a ride, really. Got to get out of the house sometimes. It's one of those rides. It's going to be a go out and see what I can see and see what happens. Nothing more than that. I've got a couple of hours free this morning, so out and about. It's murky. Look, this is real English winter time. You can see this track here, this farm track. Previously in another video I called this the Upton bypass. It cuts the big corner off here, and I'm going down through Upton, then off towards Market Bosworth. Do about 20 miles I think, but I've got my bike all cleaned up despite the fact that it's a bit murky on the roads. They are, look, all looking very nice. And I might not mention this too often, but it's for sale. I'm going to get the updated version next month, hopefully. Right, let's press on. Well, this is a nice quiet road going to Upton. I'll show you on the map where I am. And it's not too cold, it's not freezing, but it's not warm at all. But I'm well wrapped up. And yeah, it's just nice to get out. So if you're stuck in and you can't get out, then watch this. I'll say that because I've been watching some of the videos of people mountaineering. One of the best ones I've seen, by the way, is a channel called Scottish Mountains, and Murray is the guy who does that, and I have to say he is very, very good. Great video work. He has a drone, he goes great places. I think he lives in Perth and then gets into the Scottish Highlands quite often. But he does some quite challenging things, and some beautiful stuff. The last one I saw was he was looking at the Northern Lights, and he just set off. He didn't really know they were going to happen like that, but it was a wonderful thing to watch. And it was just him recording himself up in the mountains and camping out overnight. It was wonderful. Yeah, if you want to see that, check it out. I like this road from Upton to Shenton, I think it is. yeah, it's always quiet, but I want to get on to Market Bosworth and have me a cup of tea. Looking at the map, you can see I went to Higham on the Hill, over towards Upton here. This is the road I'm on at the moment, and then at this point I'll turn and go up towards Market Bosworth, back down the gated road, along to Stoke Golding, Higham on the Hill again, and then back home. 21 miles in all. But hey look, the sun's coming out. Well, the clouds are going thin anyway, so maybe it's going to be a bit better weather than I thought. Yeah, it's just good to get out. Looking forward to getting my new bike. Even though it's a bit cold and wintry, but you don't get these skeleton of trees in the summer, and the beautiful misty views across the fields as well. Yeah, I like them. Very good for watercolour painting. Identify yourselves. No, I think they're rooks. I've stopped here because I've got a choice of routes. Those fellas are just going that way, which goes straight to Market Bosworth, but it's up a big hill, which is no bother on the electric bike, so I don't care really. But oddly enough, and look, it says over there, it's just 1.75 miles to Market Bosworth, but it is, in fact, uphill virtually most of the way. But this is Coton Lane, which leads us to Far Coton, which is just 1 mile away, which is in fact a much quieter road. And for some, I don't know why or how, but it doesn't seem to make the hill a struggle. So I'm going to go this way. I've got time, and like I say, it's a bit quieter that way, because there's not a lot of traffic, but there is some. So let's go this way. And I happen to know, which I've pointed out before, there is a very big old tree along here, an oak tree. We'll have a look at that as well. So long as it's still there, it's not going to go anywhere, is it? Here it is, in all its magnificence. Look at that, it's cracking good. Wow. Love it. Morning. Then, as I approached the main road leading to Market Bosworth, this gentleman whizzed past me on a regular bike, not electric, and he had to be as old as me, if not older. He was going quite a pace.
Market Bosworth, here we are. These old thatched buildings are lovely.
Morning.
More cyclists. And then near the bus stop in the town centre, village centre, there's a farmer's market and some seats. And one or two old
We meet again.
fellas that I've seen before. And finally, a seat by the canal.
Well, I found a seat. I know this one's here by the canal. That was a really nice ride. Had a chat with some folk in Market Bosworth. It was very nice. Drank me tea, ate my little chocolate bar, and I'm happy now. Just got to make my way home. It's been a nice morning, really. The sun nearly came out. It's been cold, but not too bad. So, yeah, enjoyed that. Well, I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you very much for watching, and you will see me next time. Okay, bye-bye. Wah, wah.